main and lane climb, just on the border between Staffordshire and Cheshire. Right now, through the flush. Supposedly the highest village in Britain. Flush village climb. Well, last time I was here pretty much, I don't know, February or March last year, so all in all feel like a good ride today. Shortish but still nice. Due to the conditions I had to cut the ride short, unfortunately. Who knew it's gonna be so foggy? No, rather stay safe. Still some climb ahead of me, so let's crack on. Not good. Try to stay away off the main road as clear as possible. Now, which way to go? They're all beautiful. This one is back to climbing sessions around Love Lane, etc. Main Lane back home. And this one is behind the Roaches. There's a main road. That's the main Roaches climb, back of Roaches, then Meerbrook and Leek. Oops. Watch out for dogs. Good doggy. Stay Stay. Good dog. Stay where you are. These bloody dogs. Guys, did I say more? Fantastic big district, just behind of the outskirts of Leek. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and if you did, hit the subscribe button below and give a thumbs up, put a comment, whichever suits you. I'll be more than happy to reply.